Management software is a key factor in running an efficient company and making sure things are streamlined and organized. Facility and equipment maintenance has traditionally been an area where tracking and filing rarely makes its way to a computer. That's where SS-CMMS comes in. This cloud-based maintenance management software was designed with a maintenance professional in mind. The simple format makes sense and flows smoothly from one task to the next, reducing paperwork in the process. It was built to work without the need for mandatory entries and confusing page layouts. It includes a fully configurable reporting feature. You can create reports for work orders, preventative maintenance, parts, equipment, and locations. All reports can be configured to your specifications. Select what you want to include and how you want it sorted. In addition, there are a number of other useful features. You can look up any work order quickly and easily without the need to dig through folders. When creating a work order, you can draft it right in an email so it's sent out immediately. You can even set up email notifications related to the order. Other features include tracking parts so you know when you need to order more, storing files or photos in the cloud, and linking them to specific jobs or items, as well as keeping an eye on your budget at all times. CMMS is scalable, so you don't have to worry about the size of your operation, and there's no limit on the number of users who can access your account. You'll be able to access these cloud-based features and more from anywhere in the world with the SS-CMMS Android and iOS apps. To get started with this affordable management solution for your maintenance needs, head on over to ss-cmms.com today.